Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to add reviews to Shopify stores. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com. Once you're here, on the search bar, type in the following words you're seeing on your screen, and then hit enter. This will lead you to another tab. Wait for the other tab to load this time. You will be led to apps.shopify.com. Now, these are the results with our search that says Judge RE. If the options do not show up, go back to the search bar and type in Judge Reviews for a clearer search. Hit enter once again. This will reload the website. In here, scroll down and look for Judge.me product reviews. Tap on it. Now the website will load once again. Wait for it to load. Now this will lead you to another website. Once you're here, you can go ahead right now and press on Add App. Once you add it, this will lead you to another page and then click on Install App. And that's it. Once the app is installed, it's already done. You can now add reviews to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe.